All right, so if you want to find the greatest common factor, the GCF between a list of numbers contains all the common prime factors of all the numbers in the list. So in order for us to do this, we want to find all the prime factors of the numbers. So finding common factors is very important in math. Um, so the first thing we'll do is start out with finding the prime factors of 45. So like 45, using our factor tree, this was 5 times 9. 5 is prime, so we circle that. 9, we can factor the 3 times 3. So again, these are primes, so we circle those. So 45, um, 45 is actually equal to 3 times 3 times 5. Now, for 63, again, we'll start with the factor tree. 63 is the same as 7 times 9. 7 is prime, so we'll circle that. 9 is 3 times 3. So again, we'll circle these prime numbers here. So 63 um, has prime factors of 3 times 3 times 7. So the greatest common factor contains all the common prime factors. So the common prime factors, it has factors of 3 common between 63 and 45. So your greatest common factor has to have a factor of 3 in it, but it has another factor of 3 that's common. So there's two factors of 3 that are common, so the greatest common factor includes both of those factors. So there's no other factors that are common. So the greatest common factor then would equal 9. So the greatest common factor between 45 and 63 is 9. So if we think this is the largest number that divides both 45 and 63. So the greatest common factor is the number that will divide both numbers, and it's the biggest one. So 3, of course, divides 45 and 63, but 9 is the biggest factor that divides it.